We can solve a quadratic by completing the square. My first step is to start with my square brackets and to place a single x inside. I then always half, I divide by 2, the number in front of the single letter of x. Here 4 divided by 2 gives me 2, and I always square this number. Well, 2 squared I know means 2 multiplied by itself, and 2 times 2 gives us 4, and we always subtract this number. So in this case I'm going to subtract the number 4. I've still got the number negative 12, and my quadratic is still equal to 0. As I'm solving for x, I now need to collect like terms on the right hand side, my number terms. So I'm going to leave my square brackets alone. Here I've got x plus 2 in brackets all squared. Negative 4 subtract 12 simplifies to give us negative 16, and my quadratic is still equal to 0. As I'm solving for x, I now need to move the negative 16 to the right by doing the inverse. Opposite minus 16 is to add 16 to both sides. On the left, negative 16 adds 16 will cancel, so leave us with x plus 2 in brackets all squared. On the right hand side, 0 adds 16 simplifies to give us 16. As I'm solving for x, I know the opposite of squared is to square root both sides. On the left hand side, I'll be left with x plus 2, as square root and square will cancel. On the right hand side, I'll be left with plus and minus the square root of 16. Leaving the left hand side alone, that's x plus 2. I know the square root of 16 is plus or minus 4. As I'm solving for x, the opposite of plus 2 is subtract 2 from both sides of my equation. 2 take away 2 will cancel, leave us with x. On the right hand side, I've got plus and minus 4, subtract 2. Therefore, my two solutions for x are positive 4 subtract 2, which gives us 2, and negative 4 subtract 2, which gives us negative 6.